Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green line there is coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. Very, very nice movement on the day. And when you consider, just where it was on Monday, meaning there was the gap down on Monday morning, price was right there, and now you factor in where it's ultimately been able to work its way all the way up to. Very, very impressive movement, so you got to give credit where credit's due. But what about some of the newest areas of support? I'm going to go ahead and adjust this level up to map out the newest ideal area of support, and that sits right there at 440. And the key dynamic there is, what direction does that support need to be adjusted? And assuming you're bullish and assuming you're long, whenever levels of support need to be adjusted higher, that's always a good scenario, and that's exactly what needed to be done here. So 440, one of the newest areas of support. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that, that is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above 440 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, nothing fancy here. Got a bit of a trendline resistance into play. So keep a close eye on that. Assuming there's no massive gap downs or anything like that on Wednesday, looking like the price will be well within striking distance of potentially getting a breakthrough there. So keep an eye on that from the resistance side of things. But all in all, very impressive movement, especially, like I said, when you factor in the context of where this thing actually opened up on Monday to where it is right now. So let's see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum. The week is still young, still 3 days left. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.